Join me as I dive into the vibrant streets of Marrakech and try to uncover the hidden magic that this incredible city has to offer. Marrakech is a city that will leave you enchanted, a place where rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture blend together in perfect harmony. From the moment you step into its bustling streets, you'll feel the magic in the air, and I'm excited to share with you all the wonders that this incredible city has to offer. The truth is, Marrakech can be overwhelming, especially for first-time visitors. With so many sights, sounds, and experiences competing for your attention, it's easy to feel like you're drowning in a sea of options. Where do you even begin? How do you make sense of it all? That's why I'm here to guide you through the winding alleys and hidden gems of Marrakech to help you navigate the chaos and uncover the essence of this captivating city. You see, Marrakech is a city that rewards curiosity, a place where the more you explore, the more you'll discover. But without a little guidance, it's easy to get lost in the maze of Medinas and Souks. That's why I've put together this video to share with you my own experiences, tips, and insights, and to help you make the most of your time in this incredible city. Marrakech is a city that will push you out of your comfort zone, a place where the familiar and the unknown blend together in unexpected ways. But that's what makes it so magical, so alluring. So if you're ready to embrace the unknown, to let go of your fears, and to dive headfirst into the vibrant streets of Marrakech, then let's get started on this incredible journey together. One of my favorite memories of Marrakech is the time I stumbled upon a tiny little cafe tucked away in a quiet alley. It was a humble place with faded tiles and worn wooden benches, but the atmosphere was electric, the air thick with the scent of spices and the sound of laughter. As I sipped on a steaming cup of mint tea, I felt like I had stumbled upon a hidden gem, a secret that only a handful of locals knew about. That's the magic of Marrakech, the way it can make you feel like you've stumbled upon a hidden treasure, a secret world that's been hidden from the rest of the world. And that's what I want to share with you, that sense of wonder, that feeling of discovery that comes with exploring this incredible city. As I wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a sense of enchantment, a sense of wonder that will stay with you long after you've finished watching. Marrakech is a city that will leave you spellbound, a place where tradition and modernity blend together in perfect harmony, and I hope that I've been able to convey just a little bit of that magic to you. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the vibrant streets of Marrakech. If you've got your own experiences or questions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're looking for more Moroccan adventures, be sure to check out my video on Moroccan cuisine or my top travel tips for navigating this incredible country.